Being liked is a tax you pay for being average. You want everyone to like you? Congratulations. You choose to be forgettable. Average people, they seek approval. Powerful people, they create polarity. They're loved and hated because they stand for something. Being liked by everyone means you have said nothing important, done nothing bold, built nothing dangerous. I'm not here to be liked. I'm here to be remembered.